It's Friday, so you know what that means. 5-minute Friday. I really need an intro for this, like an intro for this for these videos. But what's up, guys? Keysy back with another video, and today it's Friday, so you know what that means. Another 5-minute Friday video. If you don't know yet, every Friday I want to release a video consisting of 5 minutes or less. Try to be in between that time constraint, but I couldn't release a video last week because I was sick. I just started getting sick and I just like could not move. I didn't feel like doing anything, so I'm finally getting over that now, and I want to release this video for you guys. So today we're gonna be talking a little bit about this. Let's see if it'll get in focus. There we go. This right there, if you don't know what that is a YouTuber that I follow religiously. Like, he has helped me out a lot just through his videos, everything about photography and cinematography. He's just super helpful. His name is Peter McKinnon. I'm sure you've heard of him. If you haven't, you have now. And he inspires me every day to make things and just go out and just start crushing everything. But if you don't know, he has his own separate brand called Pete's Pirate Life, and this is one of the items right here. So I think it's an 18K carat coin right there with its own leather pouch that he made himself. So yeah, I just wanted to go over that. It's just right here on the front. It has that, let's see right there, it has that skull and cross swords right there, or knives, and then on the back it says, well, let's see, it says fly the flag. That's his little slogan. But yeah, it's I just really love when people make things like this, and just following him because I love his videos and how he creates, and just him as a person in general. I just wanted to support and get this coin. You know, it has like absolutely no purpose, but I just bought it because of him and the brand and just how he just handles himself. I do have another thing coming from him, from that brand, from his brand, so I'm really excited to do another video for you guys on that. And you know, anything, you just kind of use it, just kind of carry it in your back pocket. You really don't feel it. I started carrying this like a couple days ago, and I really have forgot that it's in my back pocket. So nothing crazy. You just make decisions, heads or tails. You carry it like that, like a boss flying the flag. So yeah, that's really it gonna be for this video for today. I just want to do something tiny and light for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are gonna be enjoying this concept of 5-minute Friday. You guys want to do something short and light to end off the week, and I think it's gonna be a really good idea and a fun concept. So if you guys did like the video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new and if you haven't already, because that'll really help me out a lot. And also, I'll put Pete's, it's like he's my friend, Peter's channel down below, and his Instagram, just because I want to, you know, shout him out and spread more on his channel, even though he has 4 million subscribers, even though nothing's too small in this world. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. See you guys next time. Peace.